Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's Make It Monday. If you're like me, you are probably missing our weekly Food for Thought program. So as promised last week, I am doing another fun food recipe. And this week we are going to make no-bake granola bites. And I'm going to show you how to do it today. It only takes a few minutes with ingredients that you should probably have in your house. So you will need some old-fashioned oats, peanut butter, vanilla, chocolate chips, honey, coconut flakes if you like coconut, and some ground flaxseed. The very first step, we need some oatmeal. And for that, you are going to need a half a cup. Now, as we always talk about, I washed my hands before we got started, so my hands are nice and clean. Half a cup of old-fashioned oats right in this bowl. Okay? After that, you are going to have 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I already measured it out just to make it easier while I was filming. So this is a 1/4 cup of peanut butter, and I'm going to use a spatula, just like this, and put it right in my bowl. And you want to make sure you get out all the peanut butter because, you know, peanut butter is delicious. Okay, there's our peanut butter. After that, we are going to have 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of honey, which I also measured out because I didn't think you wanted to sit and watch me. It took a while to get this honey. So I'm going to add the honey right into the bowl. Just like this. And again, using that spatula, getting all that honey in here. Okay, so there is the honey. You will need also 1/4 cup of ground flaxseed. Just like this. About this much. I'm just going to put it right in the bowl. And then I'm going to take, because every good granola bite has chocolate chips, I'm gonna take a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips and add them right into the bowl. If you like coconut, you can add a little bit of coconut to it. I'm just gonna add like a handful, a small handful, just add a little bit in for flavor, okay? But if you don't like it, you can skip it. And then finally, we need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. So I probably should have said, before you get started, you need a tablespoon, a teaspoon, a 1/2 teaspoon, and 2/4 cup measuring cups to make this recipe. You will also need the 1/2 cup. All right, so in this bowl, it kind of looks like a mess, doesn't it? But what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start stirring it up. And believe it or not, it's really easy to mix this. You will also need a bowl and like a wooden spoon to mix this all up. But as you can see, with the peanut butter and the honey and the chocolate, it mixes up really easily. Great. That actually looks complete. Now, before you eat it, you're going to need to chill it for a little bit. So I am going to just put it in some plastic wrap. And you can just stick it in the bowl if you like to. I'm just going to stick it in some plastic wrap. You can either put it in the freezer for like 20 minutes, or you can put it into the fridge for an hour or 2. You just want to get it cold before we get to the next step. So you're going to take it and put it on here just like this. It'll be too messy and sticky if we try and make this into balls while it's still warm. All right, that looks good. Okay, I am going to just roll it up just like this, and I'm gonna stick it in the fridge. And now when I'm taking it out, it's nice and firm. So I'm just gonna take it out of the plastic wrap. And it smells really good because of all that peanut butter. And you're just gonna take a little bit and you're gonna take it just like this and you're gonna roll it into a ball. And they form just like this. And you wanna do that with all of the dough and roll it into little balls. Put it back in the fridge if you want, or you can eat them just like this. And they are delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you would like the ingredients for this, we will be doing a Go Pack the week of October 11th, and we will have in that Go Pack all of the ingredients to make these at home. This would be a really fun after school treat. I hope you have a wonderful week. We'll be back next week with a new Make It Monday, and I will see everybody really soon.